Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where I show you the best ways to make money online. If you're looking for easy ways to earn extra cash, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a fantastic platform that can help you boost your income with minimal effort. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. I regularly share tips and tricks to help you maximize your earnings online. Also, let me know in the comments below where you're watching from so I can create specific videos for your region. Your feedback helps me tailor content that's most relevant to you. Today, I'm excited to talk about a great platform called CashInStyle. This is a GPT site that allows you to earn money by completing surveys, watching ads, participating in contests, and completing various offers. And yes, it's legit. You can really earn money from it. Best of all, CashInStyle is available worldwide, so no matter where you are, you can start earning today. One of the simplest ways to make money on CashInStyle is by answering paid surveys. They've partnered with several survey providers, giving you a steady stream of surveys to answer. This means you'll always have opportunities to earn. Another way to boost your earnings is through offer walls. These offers might ask you to sign up for a free trial, watch videos, play mobile games, or complete surveys. CashInStyle has teamed up with many offer walls, so your earning opportunities are practically endless. And don't forget about the competitions. CashInStyle regularly organizes referral competitions where you can win a cash prize if you're among the top 10 members with the most referrals. There are also competitions for members who have earned the most from offers. With bi-weekly and monthly competitions, you have multiple chances to hit the leaderboard and win big. Now, if you love passive income, you'll appreciate CashInStyle's referral program. Simply refer friends and family, and you'll earn a commission from their activities. When it's time to cash out, CashInStyle offers multiple payment options. You can choose to get paid via PayPal, opt for gift cards through Tremendous, or even convert your earnings to cryptocurrency and withdraw via Coinbase. If you've used CashInStyle before, share your experiences in the comments. Your insights can help others decide if this platform is right for them. If this is your first time hearing about it, let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help you get started and make the most out of this opportunity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on future videos. I have a lot more tips and tricks coming your way to help you earn extra cash online. Catch you in the next one.